At JBL, we believe that perfect sound starts with finding the perfect fit for your ears. A good, snug fit of the earbuds provides better bass and volume and will block background noise more effectively. Your JBL earbuds come with ear tips as well as enhancers dedicated to sports products to ensure that your listening experience is exceptional every time. The difference between ear tips and enhancers. Ear tips are located in your ear canal and seal it off to block unwanted outside noise so that you can have the best possible experience of the JBL signature sound. Enhancers are generally used for a snug fit and prevent the earbuds from falling out during exercise. Ear tips. Depending on your JBL product, different ear tips are included to enhance both fit and sound according to the following bullets. A tight fit, less sound leakage, better noise canceling, more bass and sound details. The medium-sized ear tip is typically already installed on your JBL earbuds. If they feel too tight or loose, try one of the other sizes. Create a tight seal. As you try each ear tip, rotate the earbud forward and/or back until you create a tight seal. Twisting and slightly pushing the earbud will change the sound quality. Once you achieve a good and comfortable seal with the earbud and ear tip inside your ear, you'll hear it immediately. If you're using the JBL Headphones app, check if there is a Check My Best Fit feature. This step-by-step feature can help you with finding the optimal fit. Removing and placing the ear tips. When removing the ear tips, always grab from the base and be careful not to rip the rubber material. Using 2 fingers, gently pull the ear tip from the outer casing of the earbud. When fitting the ear tips, align the marking on the earbud housing with that of the ear tip. Then push the ear tip onto the casing, making sure the seal fits properly. Enhancers. Depending on the JBL sports product, different enhancers are included to optimize the fitting and sound of your earbuds. The fit enhancers are specially designed to fit into the bowl of the ear and ensure that the earbuds stay in place and don't fall out even during intense workouts. Removing and placing the enhancers. When removing the parts, always grab from the base and be careful not to rip the rubber material. To change sizes, first remove the ear tip if the earbud is fitted with this, and after that, remove the enhancer. Choose one of the included enhancers that are packed individually with your product. Make sure the funnel of the enhancer tip falls over the small speaker on the earbud housing. Then gently pull it over to the outer edge. If your product also features an ear tip, you can then place it on the earbud housing as well. Align the inner grooves of the ear tip and gently press the ear tip into place. Try different combinations between the enhancer and ear tips to find the best combination that offers comfort, superior sound quality, and a good fit.